Hey guys, welcome to week 4 of my renovating um, project here. I just want to say firstly and foremost, thank you everybody for all the motivation and the push that you've given me since I started this project. Everyone's always super excited to hear how it's going. I love my family and friends, and I'm super blessed to have them in my life to keep me going. But yeah, so thank you everybody for following me. So as you can see, I have emptied out a lot of the Airstream, and I'm going to show you around a little bit too. But that was all of last week, was getting out a lot of the wood and the appliances. I didn't get as far as I wanted to. I didn't think it would be as hard as it was. But getting the oven and the refrigerator basically took so much out of me that I just had to give it a day or two of not working on them and then come back in. Finally, my dad was able to help me yesterday, and we got both of them out, and I was so excited. So this week, what I'm going to be working on is getting the sink out and all of the bathroom appliances out of there as well. So I will post that video later this week, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what's going on, to give you an update, and just to say thank you, because I really appreciate everybody following me and this journey. Hey guys, so this is a quick little tour through what's going on so far. As you can see, I took out the front benches. I'm going to keep these cabinets up here, so I'm not going to worry about taking those down. But you can see here the picture. Just to help myself and anybody else that comes by, I put pictures up of what the goal is for the renovation. So I have pictures there for the kitchen. The stove was here, and the oven. That came out last night. Woohoo! And this hopefully will come out this week. So over here was where the refrigerator was. That's why it looks so disgusting, because that came out last night as well. Right down here, there is a huge hole, excuse me. I believe that animals have in the past snuck up there, because I found a skeleton body under that refrigerator. Pretty gross, but I'll post a picture just because it's kind of cool. Here also there was a bed. I took that out. I'm keeping these cabinets, so I'm not gonna take those out. And then this bed is gonna come out, and this wall as well. As you can see, the bathroom has everything still in it as it was. I haven't gone back here much, because those appliances took me so long. But hopefully by the end of this week, most of this will be out as well. So I hope you guys can tell the difference, because it is a long process. Nobody said it would be easier. I didn't think it would. But last week was a lot more frustrating than I thought it was going to be. Although, it's worth it. Anyway, thank you, and I hope to show you guys a lot more results by the end of this week.